Every industrial water filter begins with carefully selected raw materials. Automated logistics systems deliver stainless steel, filtration media, and advanced components Before production begins, every material undergoes rigorous quality inspection. Advanced scanning technology ensures only the highest grade components move to the next stage. Inside the smart warehouse, intelligent robots organize thousands of components with perfect accuracy, keeping production running around the clock. Welcome to one of the world's most advanced industrial water filter factories, where premium raw materials arrive every day to begin an extraordinary manufacturing journey. Micron-level precision is essential for industrial manufacturing. Fiber laser technology creates perfectly clean cuts that ensure every component meets exact engineering standards. Every perfect filtration system begins with absolute precision. High-power fiber lasers cut thick stainless steel with incredible accuracy while minimizing material waste.
Advanced automation transforms raw stainless steel into precision-engineered parts. AI-controlled laser systems deliver exceptional speed, consistency, and manufacturing efficiency.
In today's smart factories, synchronized laser cutting systems operate around the clock, producing high-quality stain components with unmatched precision and remarkable productivity.
The manufacturing process begins as precision CNC'd stainless steel sheets into perfectly cylindrical filter tanks. Advanced laser sensors, powerful hydraulic rollers gradually curve thick stainless steel into high-strength pressure vessels. Automated handling keeps every movement precise, while maintaining consistent production quality. Inside this smart factory, artificial intelligence coordinates every stage of the rolling process. Robots position each stainless steel sheet with incredible precision, producing. The manufacturing process begins as precision rolling machines bend stainless steel sheets into perfectly cylindrical filter tanks before welding begins.
Powerful hydraulic rollers gradually curve thick stainless steel into high-strength pressure. Automated robotic handling keeps every movement precise while maintaining consistent production quality.
Inside this smart factory, artificial intelligence coordinates every stage of the rolling process. Robots position each stainless steel sheet with incredible precision. Enormous rolling machines transform flat stainless steel plates into perfectly round industrial filter vessels. Every cylinder is engineered to withstand. Robotic TIG welding creates ultra-clean, high-strength seams with incredible precision. Every weld is computer-controlled to ensure leak-free performance and unmatched durability.
Advanced MIG welding robots work at remarkable speed, producing consistent welds. These welds meet strict industrial quality standards. They also maximize manufacturing efficiency.
Artificial intelligence guides every welding path with microscopic accuracy. Smart vision systems continuously monitor quality to eliminate defects before production moves forward. Large industrial filter tanks demand exceptional welding strength. Automated robotic systems deliver continuous, uniform welds designed to withstand extreme operating pressure for years. Powerful robotic polishing systems refine every stainless steel vessel with incredible precision. Each pass removes microscopic imperfections, creating a perfectly smooth mirror finish ready for. Advanced CNC grinding technology ensures every filter vessel achieves exceptional surface quality. Automated belt systems deliver precision buffing enhances both appearance and performance. The polished finish improves corrosion resistance, simplifies cleaning, and gives every vessel a premium industrial-grade look. Artificial intelligence guides every polishing cycle with unmatched accuracy. Automated inspection finishing systems guarantee a flawless stainless steel surface, the highest industrial standards. Thousands of fiberglass strands are wrapped with incredible precision around the rotating vessel. Controlled resaturation and perfect winding angle strength for high-pressure water filtration systems.
Automated resin infusion guarantees every fiberglass strand is fully bonded before wrapping. This advanced composite technology delivers lightweight construction with outstanding durability.
After winding, every vessel enters a carefully controlled curing process. Heat transforms the liquid resin into a solid composite structure, creating unmatched strength and long-term.
Every finished FRP pressure vessel undergoes advanced laser inspection to ensure flawless quality. Only Vestial standards move forward for installation in water treatment systems. Inside every industrial water filter, precision matters. Advanced robots carry the internal distribution pipes, ensuring balanced water flow and maximum filtration. The collector system is the heart of the filter. Robotic automation positions every component with millimeter precision, creating an even water distribution network. Every nozzle plays a critical role in filtration performance. Automated robots securely install each precision nozzle, guaranteeing uniform water flow and preventing channeling inside the filter tank. Before the filter tank moves to the next production stage, intelligent vision systems inspect every internal component. AI verifies perfect alignment. Every multi-port valve begins as a solid block of metal. Advanced CNC machines carve intricate internal passages, ensuring smooth water flow, and robotic assembly systems carefully install every seal, shaft, and control handle. Automated precision guarantees leak-free operation and reliable. Before leaving the factory, every valve undergoes rigorous pressure and leak testing. Intelligent inspection systems verify perfect sealing, ensuring dependable performance. After passing final quality inspection, each multi-port valve is carefully packaged for shipment. These precision-engineered components are now ready to power advanced water filtration systems around the world. Every grain begins its journey with intensive washing. Advanced cleaning systems remove clay, dust, and unwanted minerals, ensuring only the purest quartz sand moves forward for premium. After washing, the quartz enters precision drying systems. Carefully controlled heat removes every trace of moisture, creating stable filter media ready for accurate grading and packaging.
Precision grading is essential for filter performance. Intelligent vibrating screens sort every particle into exact size ranges, delivering consistent flow character. The finished quartz media is automatically transported and stored with purity before becoming a critical component in advanced water filtration systems.
Every batch of activated carbon begins with an intensive washing process. Automated cleaning systems remove dust and impurities. This ensures only the highest quality media moves forward. After cleaning, the activated carbon is carefully dried under controlled temperatures. This automated process removes moisture while preserving the carbon's microscopic pore structure. Precision screening systems classify activated carbon. Consistent grading guarantees reliable filtration efficiency. For water treatment systems, the finished activated carbon is transported through sealed automated conveyors to prevent contamination. Every step is carefully controlled to deliver clean, high-performance filtration. Every cartridge begins with precision pleating. Automated machines create perfectly uniform folds that maximize filtration surface area, consistent flow, and exceptional performance. Ultrasonic welding permanently seals each cartridge in seconds, creating strong, leak-free joints without damaging the delicate filtration media inside. Before leaving the production line, every filter cartridge undergoes automated inspection. Intelligent vision systems verify pleat alignment, weld quality, and dimensional accuracy. The completed cartridges are automatically packaged in a clean environment, protecting their filtration performance and ensuring they arrive ready for industrial and commercial use. Every filtration layer is added with remarkable precision. Automated dispensing systems measure and distribute each material to exact consistent product quality.
Artificial intelligence continuously monitors the filling process. Every kilogram of fashion media is accurately measured, creating perfectly balanced filter beds for superior water purification.
On this advanced production line, multiple filter tanks are filled simultaneously. Robotic automation increases speed, improves consistency, and precision is the key to every industrial water filter. Automated dispense creates uniform filtration layers that performance, longer service life, and exceptional water quality.
This is where precision meets automation. Advanced robots install multi-port valves, pressure gauges, and stainless steel fittings with micron-lasting industrial performance. Automation handles the heavy lifting. While experienced technicians perform together, they create reliable filtration systems built to withstand years of continuous industrial operation.
Artificial intelligence monitors every installation step. Vision-guided robots verify alignment installation tanks with unmatched speed, consistency, and manufacturing accuracy.
The final assembly transforms individual components into a complete industrial water filtration system, preparing each unit. This ensures rigorous performance testing before shipment. Every finished filter must prove it can withstand extreme pressure. During hydrostatic testing, water is pumped inside the vessel at pressures far beyond normal operating conditions.
Advanced leak detection technology inspects every connection with incredible precision. Even the smallest defect is instantly identified, allowing only perfectly sealed.
Smart monitoring systems continuously analyze pressure data throughout the test. If pressure remains perfectly stable, the filter passes inspection and moves one step closer to final assembly. Before leaving the factory, selected filters undergo extreme pressure validation. These demanding tests verify structural strength, ensuring reliable performance. Every filtration system must prove its performance before leaving the factory. Clear water flows through the test chamber, while advanced sensors continuously monitor pressure, flow rates. CES test simulates demanding real-world conditions. Engineers verify that the filtration system delivered while maintaining stable pressure throughout the entire process. Artificial intelligence tracks every stage of the water flow test. Real-time analytics instantly detect even the smallest pressure changes, ensuring every filtration unit meets strict quality standards. Long-term endurance testing confirms the filter's reliability. Continuous recirculation verifies stable flow, consistent, dependable performance under extended operating conditions.
Every filter tank receives an electrostatically charged powder coating that evenly bonds to the metal surface. This advanced process finish that resists corrosion, chemicals, and years of industrial use.
After coating, each tank passes through a high-temperature curing oven. Heat melts and fuses the powder. This produces a hard, seamless, and professional-grade finish.
Precision robotic sprayers ensure complete coverage on every surface. Advanced automation delivers a consistent coating thickness, reducing waste while maximizing durability and appearance.
Before leaving the coating line, every tank undergoes a detailed visual inspection. Automated scanners verify a flawless finish, ensuring exceptional and a premium industrial appearance.
Every water filter undergoes a complete AI-powered inspection. Intelligent vision systems instantly detect even the smallest imperfections, ensuring every product meets strict industrial quality standards before leaving the factory.
Robotic inspection systems verify every critical detail, from perfectly aligned fittings to flawless welds. Precision automation guarantees consistent performance and long-term reliability. Each finished filter is compared against its digital blueprint. AI instantly identifies any variation, allowing only perfectly manufactured units to move to the next production stage. Only after passing multiple automated inspections does each water filter receive final approval. This advanced quality control process ensures dependable performance in demand industrial environments.
Each industrial water filter is automatically wrapped in durable protective film, ensuring maximum protection during transportation while maintaining a clean, professional finish. Advanced robotic palletizers organize every finished filter with incredible speed and accuracy, preparing product for safe and efficient global shipping. Before leaving the factory, every packaged filter is automatically inspected, scanned, and tracked to guarantee complete quality assurance and full product traceability.
Once packaged, autonomous warehouse robots deliver every pallet to the shipping area, creating a seamless logistics process from production line to customer delivery.
Once every quality check is complete, these industrial water filters begin their automated ports and every shipment reaches customers safely and efficiently. From advanced factories to distribution centers, powerful freight trains and heavy-duty trucks move these filtration systems with remarkable speed, connecting industries across thousands of miles. For urgent deliveries, advanced logistics networks combine ground transportation with air freight, ensuring mission-critical water filtration equipment arrives exactly when it's needed. Every drop matters. Advanced filtration technology delivers exceptionally pure water, ensuring safe food production, consistent quality, and reliable operations around the clock. Behind every efficient power plant is a dependable water purification system, maximizing equipment performance while conserving valuable water resources.